This patented technology uses bipolar ionization with needlepoint brushes to create a precise electrical charge that safely cleans the air in residential and commercial buildings. Easily installed in an HVAC system in minutes, iWave products come in contact with the air as it circulates throughout the entire home, effectively killing mold, bacteria, and viruses in the air. They also reduce allergens, odors, smoke, static electricity, and airborne particles, as well as aid in keeping the indoor coil cleaner. iWave's technology generates the same ions as nature creates with lightning, waterfalls, and ocean waves, without developing any ozone. When these ions are injected into the airstream, creating a plasma region, they break down passing pollutants and gases into harmless compounds like oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor, neutralizing odors without producing any ozone or other byproducts. The harmless ions created by this technology attach themselves to allergens, smoke, pollen, airborne particles, and more. When this occurs, the particles continue to cling to each other until they are heavy enough to be moved by the air current and caught by the air filter, resulting in a reduction of airborne particles that can cause respiratory problems. When the ions come in contact with viruses, bacteria, or mold, they remove the hydrogen atom from the pathogens. Without hydrogen, the pathogens have no source of energy and will die. A simple demonstration shows how iWave prevents mold from growing on bread over time. This shows how the products address pathogens downstream of the device, at the coil, and in the living space. Another demonstration shows how iWave products remove smoke from the airstream within a short period of time. iWave offers a complete line of patented air purification products.